doing some beaver hunting in South Carolina, and I see a little cave over there. Pretty neat. It's probably about 16 inches in diameter, and then along the edge of that, see a little area where something could live up under there, and where those big trees cross the creek, there's a big hole over there too. And I saw 2 beavers here last night, so I'm kind of wondering, is that where they're living? So hopefully before dark they'll come out again and I can see them, and got me a little 20 gauge this time. Hopefully I'll get them taken care of tonight, or today anyway. We'll see how it goes.